Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is unit number 5. The title of unit number 5 is The Great Masjid of Cordoba and Iqbal. Today we will do book exercise from page 47 to 50, class 10, subject English. So first of all we will choose the correct option. After the fall of Muslim in Spain, the masjid was converted into a cathedral. It shows that Muslim were overthrown by dash. Overthrown by dash, मुसलमानों को किसने शिकस्त दी थी? Christians. Overthrown by Christians. So the correct option is C. We can achieve dash again if we enkindle in ourselves the passion, the master passion, ishq. So we can achieve exalted state of moral and spiritual character. We can achieve exalted state of moral and spiritual character again if we enkindle in ourselves the master passion. So C option is the correct option. Number 3, if it was an era when the Iberian Peninsula was glittering with progress and advancement of the Muslim civilization. In this sentence, the word glittering is used as metaphor. What is metaphor? The direct association of one thing with other. So the word glittering is used in this context in this sentence is as metaphor. The most consummate and accomplished structure of the masjid is the prayer hall. By using contextual clues, the word that is closest in meaning to consummate is dash. The word closest in meaning to consummate is skillful. Consummate is skillful. The meaning of consummate is skillful. Number 5, after careful reading of the text, the great Masjid of Cordoba and Iqbal, it can be concluded that the theme of the lesson is dash. What is the theme of the lesson? The theme of the lesson is the glory of Muslims' rule in Spain. Option number B, the glory of Muslim rule in Spain. Now coming to grammar portion. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct type of adjectives to fill in the blank. So this exercise, most of the exercise in this unit are comprises of adjective, its kinds, formation of adjectives and degrees of adjectives. So all the exercise comprises of adjectives. So first of all we will revise the definition of adjective. What is adjective? It is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. So now coming to statement number 1. Can you see that plane? Which type of adjective is the word in bold? Bold means which is written boldly, written highlightedly. Options are that is usually used as demonstrative. So over here it is demonstrative adjectives. This, that, those, these are few words which are used as demonstration. इशारा करने के लिए ये अल्फाज इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. So these are demonstrative adjectives. So the word that shows that it is demonstrative adjective. Did you see any person come on this road? No, I saw no one come here. Which type of adjectives are the words in bold? So, did you see any person? Any person, anyone, someone, somebody, it is indefinite adjective. It is indefinite adjective. So, indefinite is when we are not saying something to a particular person, but instead we are saying something in general. So the principal words for indefinite are someone, anyone, somebody, anybody. So did you see any person? So any is indefinite adjective. Any is indefinite adjective. Number 3, dog. Collars will be given to those dogs that are trained. Which type of adjective is the word in bold? So those, as I said earlier, that, this, these, those. So these words are considered as demonstrative adjectives. Now coming to fourth statement, he was asked to spot the car that crashed and he identified the red one. Which type of adjective is the word in bold? Red. So an adjective that modifies the pronoun. It is an adjective that modifies the pronoun. Number 5, the brave few fought the war. Which type of adjective is the word in bold? The brave. The brave, it is an adjective that modifies the pronoun. So it was all about adjective. Now coming to adjectives and its degrees. Degrees of adjectives. First of all, we will revise the definition of adjective. Adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Example, Sarah is an innocent girl. Innocent is adjective in this sentence. Degrees of adjective. We have 3 degrees of adjective. First one is positive degree. When an adjective is in its simple form, it only shows the presence of some quality in a thing without saying how much of this quality it has. It is called positive degree of adjective. As you can see it in this example, innocent. Or there is another example. Example is Rashid is a tall boy. So tall is adjective. Comparative degree, as its name implies comparative. Comparative means comparison between two things. So comparative degree, when an adjective is used to compare the quality of two things, it is called the comparative degree. It shows a higher degree of quality than the positive degree. Rahil is taller than Rashid. So taller, it is comparative degree. Saba is more innocent than Sarah. So there it was comparison between Rahil and Rashid and Saba and Sarah. Now coming to the third degree, which is superlative degree. When an adjective is used to show the highest degree of quality, it is called superlative degree. Examples, Raza is the tallest boy in the school. Sadia is the most innocent of all. When an adjective is used to show the highest degree, the comparison of one thing with the whole lot, it is also termed as superlative degree. How to form positive, comparative and superlative degrees. The comparatives may be formed by adding ER or IER to the positives. How the comparative degrees are formed? Just as big, we add ER to it, so it becomes big and comparative degree will be bigger. So how to form comparative degree out of positive degree? When we add ER or IER at the end of the positive degrees, so it will become comparative degree. And how to form superlative degree? And superlatives may be formed by adding EST or IEST to the positive. When we add EST or IEST to the positive degree, just as biggest, so we add EST. So when we add EST or IEST to the positive degree, it becomes superlative degree. So now I hope it will be clear to you. When we have positive degree, when we add ER or IER to it, it becomes comparative degree, and if we add EST or IEST at the end of the adjective words or positive words, it becomes superlative. Now there is another way to make comparative and superlative degree. With adjectives of 2 or more syllables, the comparatives are formed by using the word more before the positives. With adjectives of 2 or more syllables, the superlatives are formed by using the word most before the positives. When there are adjectives of 2 or more syllables, When there are adjectives of 2 or more syllables, there are 2 or more syllables, then we add more before positives and most before superlative. As beautiful, it has 2 syllables, beautiful. So if we want to make comparative degree of this word, so we will add more to beautiful, so it will become comparative degree more beautiful, and superlative will be most beautiful. So it is clear to you that if we want to make 2 or more syllable words comparative and superlative, so we have to add before, so we have to use before the positive more, and we will use before the positive most if we want to make superlative degree. But there are some adjectives, the comparative and superlative are formed by changing the spelling of the positives. So if we have positive degree bad, comparative degree worse, and superlative degree worse. Good, better, best, little, less, least, many, more, most, much, more. So in this slides you learn about the kinds of degrees of adjectives and how to make it comparative and superlative degree. Now coming to book exercise, fill in the correct degree of adjective. So we have to fill the correct degree of adjective. The clues are given in the parentheses. My house is big, so this is the positive degree. You have to select the comparative or superlative degree for it. My house is big dash than yours. So my house is bigger than yours. Bigger. How we get to know that the appropriate degree over here is comparative degree? So there are comparison between two things, or the word then help us to choose that it is the comparative degree. The help, because then is also the comparison between two things. My house is bigger than yours. So over here it is comparison between my house and yours. So it is comparison between two things. So the appropriate degree over here is comparative degree. And how to make comparative degree? When we add er or ier at the end of positive degree. So bigger, it is the comparative degree. Bigger is the correct degree of adjective. This flower is beautiful. Then that one. So it has, the beautiful has 2 syllables, and we learned that in 2 or more than 2 syllables we add more before positive degrees. So more before positive degree. This flower is beautiful. This flower is more beautiful than that one. So over here we have used comparative degree because there is comparison between two things. This is the interesting dash book I have ever read. I have ever read. Ever, so there is comparison between one thing with the whole lot. So most, we will use superlative degree. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. Non-smoker usually live long dash than smokers. Non-smokers usually live longer. So over here the word then shows that it is comparison between two things. So we will use comparative degree. So we will add er to the positive degree. So it will become longer. Which is the dangerous animal in the world? So which is the dangerous animal in the world? The comparison of one thing with the whole lot. So we will use superlative degree. Which is the most dangerous animal in the world? Most dangerous animal in the world. A holiday by the sea is good dash than a holiday in the mountains. A holiday by the sea is better than Over here the word then shows that it is the comparative degree, so the comparative degree is good, better, and the superlative degree is good, better, best. So we will use over here comparative degree, which is better. It is strange, but often a cola is expensive than a juice. So then shows that it is comparative degree, so we will use more expensive, more expensive. Who is the rich woman on the earth? Over here the comparison of one person with the whole earth, with the whole lot, so we will use superlative degree. Who is the richest? R-I-C-H-E-S-T, richest woman on the earth. The weather this summer is even dash than last summer. We will use comparative degree. Bad, worse. Comparative degree is worse. So we will use worse over here. He was the clever dash thief of all. Over here the comparison of one thing with whole lot, it means it is superlative degree. So we will use cleverest. We will add est at the end of the positive degree, so it will become superlative degree. So it is cleverest thief of all. So this exercise comprises of degrees of adjective. Now coming to, for each of the following sentence choose the correct order of adjectives. Now to solve this exercise, first of all we will look into the chart which shows the correct order of adjective. What is correct order of adjective? As you make a sentence and you put the correct order of the sentence, so in the same way we put the correct order of adjective. What is the correct order of adjective? Over here we have positions. First position we have opinion. So first of all, first position is taken by opinion, and how opinion is written or said, it is nice or it can be horrible. Second position is of size, it may be small or little. Third position is age, old or new. Fourth position is shape, example is square, round. Fifth position is of color, which is black or red. Sixth position is of material, plastic or silk. Seventh position is of origin. Origin, from where it belongs, from where it started. So it's Spanish, French. Purpose, the use of that thing. Racing, writing. So we have to follow the order of adjective. The order of adjectives are order of adjective is opinion. First is opinion, second is size, third is age, fourth is shape, fifth is color, sixth is material, seventh is origin, and eighth is purpose. So you have to keep this order in your mind to solve this exercise. Now coming to book exercise. For each of the following sentence, choose the correct order of adjective and fill in the blank. My grandmother lives in the dash house on the corner. So my grandmother lives in the huge, beautiful, modern and white house on the corner. So it is the correct order of adjective. Now coming to the second one, the store carries an assortment of dash objects. Interesting, new, old and antique. This is the correct option. Interesting, new, it is an opinion, and old and antique, it is age of it. We went for a 2-week cruise on a dash ocean liner. Incredible, huge, brand new, Italian. Incredible, it is opinion. Huge, it is size. Brand new, Italian. Brand new, Italian, it is origin. I bought a pair of dash rain boots. Nice, new, red. Nice, it is opinion. New, it is age. Red, it is color. Please put the marbles into that dash box. Huge, old, round, red box. So it was all about order of adjective. So you have to keep the order of adjective in your mind. First position is taken by opinion, second is size, third is age, fourth is shape, fifth is color, sixth is material, seventh is origin, and eighth is purpose. Now coming to use the nouns given in parentheses to form adjective. So how to form adjectives out of a noun. So use the noun given in parentheses to form adjective. How to form adjectives out of the noun? So there is, we add some suffixes. To add some suffixes with noun, then it becomes adjective. How? That adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding these suffixes. These suffixes are al, ous, ly, able, y, ed, ing, full, less, ic. So these are some suffixes. If we add with nouns, so it will become, or it will form adjectives. So how the adjectives are formed? Adjectives are formed to add some suffixes with noun, so the adjectives can be formed. I wish I had magic powers. So magic is, so how to make adjective out of a word magic? If we add suffixes with it, cal, so it will become magical, or al, so we have add al, magical. We have add suffix al to magic, so it become adjectives. So magical is a word which is formed out of magic. So magical is now an adjective. My sister is allergic to cats. So we have to form adjective of allergy, which is allergic. We will add ic to it. So it will become allergic. That bird has a love voice. So that bird has a lovely voice. We will add ly to it. We will add ly to it. Akram has a friend dash relationship with his customers. Akram has a friendly, we will use ly with it. Akram has a friendly relationship with his customers. The project has been brought to success dash conclusion. So successful conclusion. So we have made adjectives out of nouns and verbs by adding suffixes with it. There are few suffixes written over here. So it was all about adjectives today. Your activity is revise adjectives, its kinds, degrees, and formation of adjectives and order of adjectives also. So this is your activity for today. Thank you.